Hey guys, in today's video, you will learn to set up OpenClaw on Telegram with Ollama so you can run a local AI assistant and message it like a normal Telegram bot. OpenClaw lets us connect it to the Telegram channel. Now let's set it up. Open your terminal and first make sure OpenClaw is installed. You can quickly verify that by running OpenClaw version. If you see a version number, you are good to go. So next we are going to run the onboarding flow and install the background daemon. Just run OpenClaw onboard install daemon. This command starts the setup wizard and installs the background service. Then proceed with yes. For onboarding mode, choose quick start. When it asks for the modal or auth provider, we will skip that part for now since we are using Ollama. And for provider filtering, just continue with all providers. When you reach modal selection, choose enter modal manually. Make sure Ollama is already installed. If you haven't downloaded yet, you can download it from here. Then pick any model you want to use. For now, we will be using GLM5 Cloud. Just search for it in Ollama. Copy this command and run it in your terminal. So you can see success here. We can also chat in the terminal. You can also see the reply here. That means we are good to go. Then enter the model inside OpenClaw as Ollama GLM5 Cloud. After that, select Telegram as your channel. OpenClaw will then show you the setup instructions starting with open Telegram and chatting with bot father. So open Telegram, search for bot father, click on it. And run /new bot. Then choose a name for your bot. And set a username that ends with bot. So I will just copy the username and include bot on it. And Telegram will generate your bot token for you. Copy that token and first proceed to enter Telegram bot token. And we will simply paste it here. And your Telegram connection will be ready. We can skip skills and hooks. So now the onboarding is complete and it has automatically opened the gateway URL in our browser. But right now it says the site can't be reached. That's because the gateway service is not actually running yet. If you look back at the terminal, you will see that URL is using port 18789. To start the gateway manually, just run OpenClaw gateway port 18789. Once the gateway starts successfully, go back to the browser and refresh the page. Now in the channel section, you should be able to see that Telegram is connected. Next, go to Telegram. Copy the bot username that you created earlier. Search for it and open the bot. Then click Start to begin. Before we can chat with the bot, we also need to pair our Telegram account. OpenClaw uses a pairing flow for Telegram direct messages. Then approve the request from the terminal using the pairing command and code. Once the pairing is approved, your Telegram account is now authorized and you can start chatting with the bot. For example, I sent a message like, "How are you?" and the LLM replied successfully, which confirms that everything is working. Let's test it out with another prompt. I will ask, "Give me a short summary of Ollama." As you can see, the bot is responding perfectly, giving us the definition of Ollama, its main uses, and explaining how it runs model locally. Now let's head back over to our browser and open the OpenClaw Gateway dashboard. If you go to the chat tab and switch over to Telegram channel, you can actually see a complete history of all the messages we sent and received inside the Telegram app. So that wraps it up for this tutorial. We successfully installed OpenClaw, wired it up to Telegram, and got our own private AI assistant running locally with Ollama. Thank you guys for watching this video.